Hello dear students, our lesson today is equations. Okay, let's see what are the equations. First, I have two types of equations. The first is the numerical equation or the numerical expression. The numerical, it means a problem. All the numbers in it are numbers, like 3 plus 5 equals 8. 7 minus 2 equals 5. This is called numerical because all parts of it are numbers. The second type is called symbolic expression. The symbolic expression is an equation containing a symbol or a letter. Okay, for example, if I have a square plus 3 equals 5, triangle plus 3 equals 12. This is symbolic. It means I replaced a number with a symbol or a letter. I use the expressing sentences by using symbols. To solve some problems, we need to express sentences by using symbols. For example, if A is a number, we express adding 24 to the number A by 24 plus A. If K is a number, we express the quotient of K. Let's remember together what's meant by the word quotient. Quotient is the answer of the division. Okay, we express the quotient of K by 67 by K divided by 67. Let's solve this question. Complete using a suitable symbolic expression. I want you to read the question very well. Add 6 to the number x. It's very simple. Add, it means addition means plus. The symbolic expression is, I can write it 6 plus x or x plus 6. In addition, we have a commutative property. I can change the place of the numbers. It means x plus 6 is the same as 6 plus x. Number B, subtract 3 from the number y. Subtract means minus. How can I write it? From the number y, it means I have to start from y. Y minus 3. And in subtraction, I can't change the places of the numbers. That means I have only to write y minus 3. And I can't write it 3 minus y. Okay? Subtract 3 from the number y means y minus 3. Number C, multiply 5 by the number z. The symbolic expression is multiply. Okay? I can write it 5 times z or z times 5 or 5z, because in multiplication I can write the hidden sign. The hidden sign is times, okay? And also I have a commutative property in multiplication because 5 times z is the same as z times 5. Number D, divide the number m by 3. Divide m by 3. In division, I have only one answer. Like the subtraction, I only have to write the answer one time. Divide the number m by 3 means m divided 3 or m over 3. But I can't write it 3 divided m. It's wrong. Okay? m divided 3 or m over 3, because we know that the fraction is a shape of division. Complete. Ahmad has LE(x) and his father gave him LE8. How much will Ahmad have? Ahmad has x and his father gave him. Gave him means he added to him 8. So the answer is x plus 8 or 8 plus x. Number B, the length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than its width. The length is more than the width by 3. It means the length is bigger, is greater than the width by 3. If the length is x centimeter, then the width will be what? The width is smaller than, is less than the length, okay? So the width will be what? Will be x, which is the length, minus 3. So the answer will be x minus 3. Okay, again, the length is 3 more than, so the length is bigger. The length is x centimeter. So what is the width? The width will be the length, which is x minus 3. Number C, the sum of what Manal and Nihal have is 10 LE. 10 LE is the total of what they have both, the total, okay? If Manal has LEX, then Nihal will have what? I have the total, which is 10, and I have x. What Manal has is x. So Nihal will have 10 minus x. The total minus what Manal has, 10 minus x. Choose the suitable symbolic expression. Number A, if we subtract 5 from the number x, we will get what? 5 from the number x. I have to write x first. So the answer will be x minus 5. Number B, Susan saved LEX. Saved LEX. Her father gave her means added to her, LE10. She will have, okay, she will have what? She will have x plus 10. Subtracting 3 from double of the number x. Subtracting means minus. I will subtract 3 from what? Double of the number x. What's meant by double the number? Double the number, it means 2 times the number. 2 times x, or I can write it 2x. I will subtract from it 3. So the answer will be 2x minus 3. There is a hidden sign between 2 and x, which is times. Double x means 2 times x or 2x. Number D, the difference of the two numbers is 7. The difference between them is 7. And the smaller number is y. The smaller number is y. Then the greater number will be what? Will be y plus 7. Because he told me the difference between them is 7. The smaller is y, so the greater will be what? Will be y plus 7. Complete the perimeter of a square whose side length is whose side length is L. What is the perimeter of the square if its side length is 1? Okay, we all know that the square has 4 equal sides. So to get the perimeter is what? The sum of all sides. So I will write L plus L plus L plus L 4 times. Instead of making L plus L 4 times, I will write L times 4 or 4L. Number B, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. If its length is x, then its width will be what? What is the rule of the width? Width of the rectangle, let's remember together. Yes, the width equal perimeter divided 2 minus length. So I will write the perimeter here, 20 over 2 minus the length, which is x. 20 over 2 means 20 divided 2 equals 10 minus x. Number C, the length of 2 adjacent sides of a parallelogram are x and y. Then its perimeter. Adjacent means what? Adjacent means beside each other. If I have a parallelogram, it has the same property of the rectangle. Each two opposite sides are equal. It has length and width. Okay, if the length of the two adjacent sides are x and y, then its perimeter, the same rule of the rectangle, will be what? Will be x plus y times 2 or 2x plus 2y. You can write both answers. Okay? If the sum of two numbers is 10, the sum of two numbers means their total. The total is 10. One of them is x. The total is 10. One of the numbers is x. So how to get the second number? I will make 10 minus x. represent each word phrase by a variable expression. Variable expression means symbolic expression. Number A, 8 times a number A. 8 times. You can write 8 times A, or A times 8, or 8A. Number B, 4 less than a number B. 4 less than. Less than means minus. 4 minus the number B. Okay, 4 less than a number B, you have to start with B. So the answer is B minus 4. It means B is the original number. Okay, I have to write B minus 4. Number C, 7 divided by a number D. 7 divided by a number D. You have to write D, 7 divided by D, or 7 over D. Number D, 1/5 of a number D. 1/5 means what? It's a fraction. It means 1 over 5 of means times. Okay? So you will write 1 over 5 times D, or you can write it D over 5. Number E, subtract 9 from the number. From the number X, subtract 9 from the number X. It means X minus 9. The last one, the difference of a number T and 9. The difference of T and 9 means T minus 9. Let's do another question. Express each word phrase with the corresponding variable expression. Number A number Z decreased by 5. Decreased means less, means minus, okay? So I will make it Z minus 5, okay? Again, in subtraction, I can't replace the numbers, okay? The only answer is Z minus 5, and I can't write it 5 minus Z. Number B, 34 multiplied by number L. It means what? It means 34 times L, or L times 34. Okay, number C, 1/4 of a number Y. 1/4 means what? Means 1 over 4. Of means what? Means times. So the answer will be 1 over 4 times Y, or I can write it Y over 4. Number D, 4/7 a number N. 4/7, it's a fraction, 4 over 7 times N, or I can write it 4N over 7. Number E, subtract 29 from a number E. Here in subtraction, from a number E means what? Means my answer will start with E. E minus 29. Number F, subtract a number F from 17. From 17 means what? Means I will start with 17 minus F. Okay? Look at the two questions, E and F, okay? In subtraction, subtract a number from E, I have to start E minus 27. Subtract a number F from 17, I have to start from 17 minus F, okay? Number G, product of a number. What's meant by product? Product means times. Product of a number and 7.56. It means X times 7.56. The product is times. Number H, quotient. Quotient means what? Means division. Quotient of a number, H and 9. It means H divided 9. Okay, let's look at this question. If Sarah is X years old, now this is the age of Sarah now is X years old. Use X to write an expression for each of the following. Number A, the age of Sarah after 6 years. After. Okay, after means I will add to her age 6 years. So the answer will be X plus 6. Number B, the age of Sarah 8 years ago. Ago means what? Ago means before. before, it means I will subtract the 8 from her age. It means x minus 8. Look carefully at the questions and understand it well. Okay? Number C, the uncle's age. I want to know the uncle's age, the age of her uncle. If he is 3 times the age of Sarah. Sarah's age is x. Her uncle is 3 times her age. So I will make 3 times x, or x times 3. The brother's age. If he is 1/3 the age of Sarah, what's this 1/3? 1/3 means 1/3. So the answer will be 1/3 times x, or 1/3x, because times is a hidden sign. 1/3x, or you can write it x/3. Aya's age, her friend. If the sum of Aya and Sarah is 21, the sum means the total. Their total age together is 21, okay? And I know Sarah's age is x. So how to get Aya? I will make the total, which is 21 minus x. Angie's age. If the difference between Sarah and Angie's age is 7, okay? I want to know Angie's age if the difference between Sarah and Angie is 7. Okay, I will make x minus 7. Let's look at this question. Write the equation for each of the following. Okay, let's see the first one. A number plus 17 is 24. Okay, a number means any number. Choose any letter. X plus 17. Is here means equal. So I will write x plus 17 equals 24. 56 minus a number is 37. Minus subtraction. I will make 56 minus a number. I will choose, for example, x or y or any letter. Is means equal. So the answer will be 56 minus x equals 37. Okay, number C, 5 times a number is 45. 5 times x equal means equal 45. Number D, a number divided by 2.5 is 10. A number means x. I will make x divided 2.5 is means equal 10. A number if multiplied by 2 and added to it 5 gives me 19. Gives me means equal. So here the keywords is and gives me means equal. Okay, again, a number means x. X multiplied by 2 plus 5 equals 19. Or I can write 2x plus 5 equals 19. A number, x, if multiplied by 3 means x times 3 or 3x, and added to it means plus. 8 gives me means equal 38. It means 3x plus 8 equals 38. A number if multiplied by 5, a number here means x, multiplied by 5 means 5x, and subtracted from it means minus. Minus 12 equals 28. The answer is 5x minus 12 equals 28. Thank you and goodbye.